right, you're going to open up to the next page in your packet, which is titled Let's Make a Deal. The biggest life event that you will be using unit rates for is when you are going grocery shopping. I know that sounds silly, or even when you're shopping for something in general. You're trying to find the best deal on something, or what's the biggest bang for your buck. So a lot of the times I will find myself in the grocery store grabbing my calculator quick, trying to figure out, okay, this brand versus this brand, if I get 20 slices of this or 20 pieces of this versus 15 pieces, what am I actually getting the better deal on? So that's what we're trying to learn today. So let's make a deal. You're given two quantities, two different brands of things in the grocery store, and you're going to do a double number line to figure out what is going to be the best deal for you. So per slice is what we're looking at for this first one here. So what I would do is do your little double number line over on the side. And I know that's so small and they don't give you much room, so try to find as much room as you need over here. Let's do dollars per slice. Okay, now I do my little 4 here, and I'm going to figure out for Sargento cheese, 10 slices. I'm trying to find per slice. So 1 goes here, question mark goes here, and then 10 goes here, and 248. Uh-oh. I apologize, this is so small. 248 goes there. Okay, so I'm going to do my missing piece between this and this, divide by 10. What I do on one side, I have to do on the other. So I will end up doing $2.48 divided by 10. I'll do it down here. Okay, so now let's type it into the calculator. And we will do 2.48. Zoom out a little bit so you can see it here. 2.48 divided by 10, we get 0.248. Let's round this to 2 decimal places just because money is always with 2, never 3. This is greater than 5, so this number right here gets bumped up 1, so we have 0.25 cents or 25 cents per slice. That is our unit rate, okay? Now we're going to try to find Velveeta to see if we buy 12 slices for $3.18, which one of these am I actually getting the better deal on? And I'm going to make my double number line a little bit bigger for you on this side. So let's do this over here. Okay, so I have my double number line, and then dollar per slice. Okay, for 1 slice, question mark goes here. For 12 slices, it is $3.18. Divide by 12. Divide by 12. When you get $3.18 divided by 12, you get 0.265. So again, we need to round. This number is 5 or greater, so we got to round up to 7 for this. So we have 0.27 cents per slice. So now you're looking at it going, okay, what is the better deal per slice? What is the, the less money per slice that I'm buying for? So this is actually going to be a better deal here. So I'm going to shade in option 1 over here, or circle it, or put an X in it, whatever you want to do. The unit rate is $0.25 cents per slice. Okay. Okay, now next one, I will do another one with you. I'll do it in a different color so we can kind of tell the difference between the two. Okay, big debate. Oreos versus Chips Ahoy. You have $2.98 for 15.5 ounces, or you have $2.50 for 14 ounces. Okay, let's do it. So double number line, a little bit bigger for you this time. We have dollars per, and then ounce, not slice this time, dollars per ounce. We're trying to find 1 ounce, or how much is it per ounce. So my question mark goes across. I have 15.5, and I have 298. Okay, now I'm going to divide or find my missing piece between 15.5 and 1. So if you were to type it into the calculator, or if you don't know the missing piece offhand, what I would do is do 15.5 divided by 1. And you'll end up getting your answer, which is, divide by 15.5. What you do on one side, you have to do on the other. So $2.98 divided by 15.5. Grabbing my calculator quick. So let's do 298 divided by 15.5, and we get 0.1922. Let's round that to 2 decimal places. So look at the third one. That's less than 5, so that stays the same. So this is 0.19 or 19 cents per ounce. Okay, let's look at Chips Ahoy. Do the same thing. I'll do the double number line over here. Dollars per ounce. We have 1 question mark, 14 ounces, and $2.50. Okay, divide by 14. Divide by 14. We will do, 2.5 divided by 14. We get 0.178. So rounding it to 2, this is greater than 5, so this becomes the next number up, which is 8. So this is 18 cents per ounce. So looking at these, what's going to be the better deal? What are we going to spend the least amount of money on per ounce? Which would be a better deal? Chips Ahoy, because that's less than this. So I'm going to fill in option 2, and I'm going to write in 0.18 per ounce. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to let you do the rest of them here. You have 3 left on this side, and then you have the back side of it also. Okay, so you're going to be finding the unit rates for both items that you're comparing, and maybe you can help your mom or dad grocery shop after this with your great skills. Just make sure that you are showing your double number lines. I want to see them. Okay, I want to see your work just while we are still learning this process. Okay, make sure you shade in or circle or X your options, and let me know if you have any questions.